Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create gesso, texture paste, decoupage glue, color spray or color mist and chalk paint at home very easily. And using all these handmade and homemade products, I have created this beautiful decoupage box using all these material. Isn't it looking very pretty and looking like ready-made products? So let's get started. For this we need any spray bottle, any spoon for the measurement, white acrylic color, some colored acrylic shades, liquid glue and baby powder. So first I am making a color spray. For this we need a spray bottle, any acrylic color of your choice. So here I am using acrylic color from Camlin. You just need to pour 1 teaspoon of color spray in your spray bottle. Then I am adding 2 teaspoon of water. So the ratio is 1:2. 1 is color, 2 is water. Now just close your bottle and shake it very well. And tada! Your spray is ready. Now you can just spray it on any surface. I am showing you example on a thick card sheet. See how beautiful the mist is coming. And in this way you can use this spray in any mixed media project as well. So this is done. Now I am starting with decoupage glue. This is very must for all decoupage artists and this is very economical and super easy to create. For this I am taking 2 teaspoon of Fevicol. You can use any liquid adhesive. And then I am adding 1 teaspoon of water. So here is the ratio of 2:1. That is 2 teaspoon of glue and 1 teaspoon of water. You can increase the quantity as per your requirement, but you need to remember this ratio 2:1. Now again I am shaking this mixture very well. And your decoupage glue is ready. It's really very easy and it works perfectly alright. And it's also very pocket friendly. So the glue is ready. Now I am proceeding to the gesso. Gesso we need to create as a primer to give a base to any project. So this time I am taking 2 teaspoon of baby powder in a jar. Then I am adding 1 teaspoon of liquid glue again. And then I will add 1 teaspoon of white acrylic color. Since here I am creating white gesso, so I am using white acrylic color. If you want to create black gesso, so in the place of white acrylic color you need to mix black acrylic color. And now I am mixing everything together using my brush. You need to create a very smooth texture, and if required you can add some drops of water as per your required consistency, but it should not be very flowy and should not be very thick. So your homemade gesso is also ready. Now starting with the textured paste. This is a thicker form of a gesso. So this time I am adding 3 teaspoons of baby powder into a jar. You can also use plaster of Paris in place of baby powder. And now I am adding 1 teaspoon of liquid glue. And then I'm adding 1 teaspoon of white acrylic color. And again mixing this mixture very well and creating a smooth paste. And our texture paste or modeling paste is ready. Now I am starting with chalk paint, everyone's favorite. So this time I am taking 1 teaspoon of baby powder, and I am using half teaspoon of blue color. Since I am making a turquoise shade and I don't have that shade, so here I am creating turquoise by mixing blue and dark green. That's why I am taking half of both of the colors. But if you want to create only single shade, so just take a 1 teaspoon of any shade. Now I am adding half teaspoon of green color. First I am adding little bit and then I will see how the color is turning. And now I am adding little drops of water. Now just mix whole mixture very well. And tada! Your chalk paint is ready. In this way you can create any color chalk paint of your choice. You don't need to buy any expensive paints. This is very economical and pocket friendly. And you can create in small quantity like I have created. This will be enough for my today's project. Now I'm taking this pencil box. This is a wooden MDF box. You can take any kind of base to experiment these things. So here I am taking my handmade gesso. I have added few drops of water because I thought it is a little thick. And now I will apply the gesso on whole box. Gesso gives you very nice base so that you can work with any medium on the gesso. It works as a primer. So the box is colored. I have also colored the lid. Now I will add this beautiful floral decoupage paper. I am just removing 2 plies from this. This is a 3-ply decoupage paper. Now I am applying my homemade decoupage glue on whole base. And then start adding this paper slowly with the surface. Just attach your paper slowly so that it will not get any air bubble, and it will also be a wrinkle free pattern. Now I'm just smoothing it using brush again to remove air bubble if any. Now using my sand tool, I'm just sanding the edge to cut the excess paper all around the edge. So this is done. In the same way, I have added the paper on other side of the box. Now I am taking this turquoise handmade chalk paint and I will color the box from inside and on these other 2 sides. So this is done. Isn't it looking very finished and chalky? This is very pigmented and 1 coat is enough. Now I am taking this mandala stencil from iCraft and using this handmade texture paste, I will create a beautiful mandala pattern on this side. Now just slowly remove your stencil and you will get this beautiful mandala pattern. In the same way, I will add the texture on other side. Now I'm taking my pink color mist or color spray and just adding little pink shade on the textured part. Just dab the excess color using tissue paper like this. In the same way, I am misting little spray on this decoupage paper also, just for a little splash of colors. Isn't it looking pretty and very shabby? I have also added the texture on the lid using the same mandala stencil and same textured paste. Now I am just closing my box. It's looking really awesome, isn't it? And here I have added some handmade paper flowers on the lid to decorate my box. And also applied the decoupage glue on whole box one more time just to protect it. So the gesso, texture paste, spray color, decoupage glue and chalk paint are ready. I'm sure you will try these items very soon to create your own project. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.